On the auspicious occasion of Swami Akhandananda Maharaj's 157th birth anniversary, we would like to express our humble prayers and respect to the holy feet of the Reverend Maharaj. Swami Akhandananda, pre-monastic name Gangadhar Gangopadhyay. Date of birth 30th September 1864. Place of birth Ahiritola, North Kolkata. Born in an orthodox family, Gangadhar lived a pure disciplined life from boyhood. At the age of 19, he went to Dakshineshwar temple. Sri Ramakrishna received him cordially and gave him several instructions. Since then, he started visiting the master and also cultivated friendship with other young disciples, particularly with Naren, later Swami Vivekananda. When Baranagar Math was formed, after Sri Ramakrishna's Mahasamadhi, Gangadhar did not join it immediately. Instead, he set out on a long pilgrimage in 1886, which took him to different places in the Himalayas and the Tibet. After 3.5 years, he returned to Baranagar Monastery in June 1890. He then took sannyasa vows formally and assumed the name Akhandananda. In mid-July 1890, Swami Akhandananda again set out, this time in the company of Swami Vivekananda, on a pilgrimage which took them to different places in the Himalayas. When Swamiji left for the west, Akhandananda continued his wanderings in western India. Towards the end of the 1895, he returned to the mutt which had been shifted to Alambazar in Kolkata. When Swami Vivekananda, after his return from the west, reached Kolkata in February 1897, Swami Akhandananda enthusiastically participated in the reception accorded to Swamiji. After a few days, when Swamiji left for Darjeeling, Akhandananda travelled towards Murshidabad. Reaching there, he was distressed to find a famine raging. He immediately started famine relief work with whatever he could collect. Later, Swami Vivekananda sent more funds and the relief operation was organized on a full scale. This was the first relief operation organized by Ramakrishna Mission. After relief work, Akhandananda started an ashram with an orphanage in Shargachi, in Murshidabad district. He served the orphan boys as manifestations of God. In 1934, after the passing away of Swami Shivananda, Swami Akhandananda became the president of Ramakrishna Math and Mission. From that time, he divided his time between Belur Math and Shargachi. He participated in the birth centenary of Sri Ramakrishna in 1936. Owing to old age ailments, he became weak. He passed away on 7 February 1937.